Our Chicken Tinga Tacos are packed with flavor and super easy to make. In an Instant Pot, add chicken broth, chicken breast, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Pressure cook on high for 14 minutes. After the pressure has released naturally, shred with 2 forks or an electric mixer. In a saucepan, sauté onions in olive oil. Add in garlic and sauté until translucent. Add chipotle peppers, oregano, and cumin, combining everything together. Stir in fire-roasted tomatoes, chicken stock, salt, and pepper. Add the mixture to a blender and blend until everything is smooth. Place the sauce back into the pan and add in your shredded chicken. To assemble your tacos, add chicken, onion, cheese, sour cream, cilantro, and lime. You can find more delicious taco recipes on our website.